2 men were arrested and 2 others are being sought by police after a stolen SUV struck and critically injured a pedestrian Tuesday night near Beach Boulevard and Bolsa Avenue in Westminster.
About 7:30 p.m., our patrol officers were dispatched to this location for a hit-and-run investigation. Upon arrival, they found a Lexus SUV had struck a power pole. When they approached the car, they also noticed that a female adult was down on the ground and had been struck by the vehicle. The driver of that vehicle fled the scene. Additional officers that were arriving on scene saw suspects running down Beach Boulevard. They called for additional resources, and we were able to set up a perimeter in the area. Initially, 2 suspects ran, and then that was updated that there were 4 suspects in the vehicle. A short time ago, 2 of those suspects were apprehended within the perimeter. It's my understanding they were apprehended within a block from this scene. We've had the assistance of a nearby helicopter from another agency and police canines to assist us in the search.
The woman struck by the SUV was transported to a hospital with critical injuries.
The woman that was struck, from what I know right now, is an adult female. The family is still being notified. We're very concerned for her and her well-being, and hopefully she'll make a recovery.
The Lexus SUV that crashed was reported stolen in Westminster last week.
The burglary last week was just initially no leads. The people came home and discovered that their house had been burglarized and that their SUV had been taken in the burglary.
What caused the SUV to crash and strike the woman is still under investigation.
No police chase. This was initially just a 911 call. We have some harsh road conditions out here earlier with the rain that may have been a contributing factor.
Rob Whitfield for OCRegister.com.